Hi, my name is Whitney Dyer. I'm the Assistant Director of the Outdoor Pursuits program here on campus. We are part of the Campus Recreation Center, which is located right behind me, and Outdoor Pursuits has its own facility right to the left side of Campus Rec. So this is the entrance to Outdoor Pursuits. We have 2 designated parking spots that are 30 minutes so that you don't have to walk around campus with all of your equipment or a canoe or a boat or a backpack. So feel free to park here during our open hours, which during the academic year are Monday and Fridays, 11 to 6 p.m. and Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 11 to 5 p.m. So welcome to the Outdoor Pursuits Gear Shop. This is where you sign up for Outdoor Pursuits trips, learn about anything that we're offering, any workshops or special programs, maybe rent a bike or pick up or rent equipment that we have. So I'll take you around and show you some of that equipment. So right over here, these are brand new bikes coming in the fall, this fall of 2019, and these are commuter bikes. We have 100 bikes available for you to rent, and you can rent these bikes for 1 week at a time. They come with a U-lock, a rear basket for these commuter bikes, or we have cruiser bikes which have front baskets. So if you ever needed to take those off campus or go to the grocery store or hold your backpack, those can do that for you. And then we do have helmets available for you to check out. And again, those are absolutely free for you to check out. We also have a full functioning bike shop. This is Brett Johnson, one of our senior bike mechanics. Brett and 3 other bike mechanics on campus maintain our entire fleet of bikes, and they're also a full functioning bike shop. So if you ever needed to bring in your own bike, you get a flat tire or your chain brakes, we have all of that basic equipment for you, so you can bring it in and we can hopefully get you back on your bike. We also have 20 mountain bikes back here, directly behind our whitewater kayaking boats. So we have brand new Trek mountain bikes. We have 20 of these, and these you can rent out for 3 days at a time. This is Mackenzie Allen. She's an Outdoor Pursuits employee working at the gear shop, so if you ever needed to come in and ask questions or you wanted to pick up your reservation, you just stop at this front desk, present your ID or tell us your bear number, and we can find your equipment and pull that for you. So right back here is everything that you could rent out as a student, and it's absolutely free for you. Rentals are 1 week at a time, or you can tell us when you're going to pick it up and when you're going to return it, and it's absolutely free. We do extend rentals during holidays or class breaks or academic breaks. So right over here we have backpacks. So we have 2 different sizes. We have a 65 liter pack and a 32 liter pack, just depending on if you're going on a day trip or an overnight extended backpacking trip. You have 2 options. We have camp games, cornhole, horseshoes, giant Jenga, giant Connect 4, a crash pad, Coleman stoves, volleyball net, climbing shoes to rent. So if you were ever going to go climbing outside or you wanted to try out a new gym in Colorado or anywhere in the US for that matter, we have climbing shoes for you to rent. These are the helmets we usually use for the cruiser bikes or the commuter bikes that you're renting out. We have 2 sizes of tents, both 2-person and 4-person tents. We have sleeping pads and Crazy Creek chairs. And then during the winter, we have about 50 snowboards available for you to rent in various sizes, as well as about 25 snowshoes. We have coolers, snowboarding boots, snow helmets, goggles, bindings, trekking poles, gaiters, and then this area is kind of our staged area, so you can actually fill out an online reservation form on our website, and you can do that months in advance of when you're going to use it, or at least 48 hours before you want to pick it up. That way, as soon as we get that reservation, we'll confirm what we have in your name, and then we'll pull that equipment, so when you come in, you're not having to wait for us to gather all of your pieces, so you're in and out the door. These are one of our popular items. We only have a couple left in the shop. They've been going out this week, but these are inflatable stand-up paddle boards. PFDs, shovels, and over here is some of our newest equipment. We won't be using these this summer, but they are available in the winter. So we have 2 different sizes or form cuts for snow pants and jackets. So there's a fitted and a non-fitted, and they go all the way up from small to double XL. And we have both pants and winter jackets. So in case you wanted to go hit the slopes and you didn't have the equipment, you can rent that for free right here. We also have sleeping bags. We have 2 different degrees, 0-degree bags and 20-degree bags, just depending on what environment you're going to be camping. Thanks for joining us, and we hope you step through the door and come say hi and see what's available for you for free.